TradePro Claim Assignment is a powerful new feature being introduced in this version of TradePro, formerly TradePro, that allows TradePro users to resolve their no agreement pens without having to send claim comments to AFS settlement personnel. Simply select any claim pending for no agreement, search for and select a contract that should be used to settle that claim, optionally add some comments, and that's it. Let's take a look at an example. First, we'll select a claim to be used. Of course, you'll need to have visibility to the claim you want to resolve and to the contract you want to use to clear it. From the Claim Detail screen, you'll see we have a new button in the upper right-hand corner called Contract Assignment. This button will be present on all no agreement pendings. To resolve this no agreement pending, click on the Contract Assignment button. When I click on the button, the system will run through a few checks just to make sure that we can work with this pending claim. If there are any problems, for example someone else is already working on this claim, TradePro will present a message explaining the situation. Looks like we're able to work on this claim, so the system presents a search screen that I can use to find the contract that I want to use to settle the claim. I can search by contract ID, all or part of the contract name, even an effective range for the contracts. It's important to note that a contract must be in a claimable state, that is, it must be in either an approved, enforced, expiring, or expired status in order to be presented in this search. I think I know what contract I want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and enter a contract ID and search for it specifically. I get a list of contracts returned. I'll go ahead and select the one that I want. And it looks like in this case I've made a mistake. The system tells me that the contract version I've selected falls outside the date range of the claim's delivery period and can't be used to clear this pending. The system will perform a number of these validations to help you select a contract that can be used to settle the claim. If these checks fail, TradePro will present an error or warning message. For a full list of these validations and the error and warning messages that can be presented, check the documentation in the Help section of TradePro. Let's try a different contract. I enter another contract ID, search, and I think that's the one I wanted to use. I click on its name, and there we go. I can tell the validations have passed because the system is asking me to provide some comments. Any comments I enter will be added to the claim's comment history. Now TradePro has enough information to resolve the no agreement pending with the contract version I chose. There are a number of other checks that have to be performed in the process of clearing a pending claim, so the system runs through these in the background. Within the hour, I'll receive a message in my User Messages section, telling me whether or not the claim assignment was successful. I can see here that it was, and I'll be able to see the updated pending information after the overnight claims process updates my claims. That's it. If you have any questions about this new TradePro feature, you can contact the TradePro support team.